squares are a real fun accessory. It adds a lot of personality to your suit. There is no right or wrong way on how you should fold a pocket square. However, if you fold it neatly and nicely, people are going to notice that, they're going to appreciate it, and you might get a few compliments on the way. Here are my 5 favorite ways on how you can fold a pocket square.
Wave fold. Fold the pocket square into triangles. Triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, and finally triangle 4. You see the folds on top of each other? Just pick the pocket square and fold the corners and adjust it into your pocket. The top of the pocket square appear like high tides and will add a degree of sophistication to your look. Presidential fold. Form a rectangle, then a square, another rectangle, and finally another square, and just adjust to fit your pocket size. Ensure that you don't show more than 15% of the pocket square. Twin poof. Form a ring using index finger and your thumb. Pinch and pick the pocket square from the center and run it through the ring. This balloon-like shape is called the poof. Use another pocket square to do the same thing again, and there we have the twins. Just adjust them to the size of your pocket, and I recommend them for Nehru jackets and Indian wear. Rose fold. Pinch and pick the pocket square from the center. Flip the pocket square to the other side. Now, pick any corners of the pocket square. Simply rotate it around till you see a shape such as this. Release the pinch and adjust as per your pocket size. This fold is festive and looks really royal. Central line fold. Make a rectangle, then a square. Now pick the top corner of the square to form a 90-degree triangle. Do you see these 2 corners of the triangle? Simply pick them individually and bring them to the bottom of the triangle. That's it. Now you simply adjust them to the size of your pocket. This fold looks clean, yet a lot of fun.
That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do leave a comment and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Have a dandy day.